Hiya, if you've been wanting to learn how to tween, then I'll teach you how I do it. First step is basically just separating the layers you want to draw. I recommend using folders to separate them and be more easily distinguishable. This is just the basics of tweening, so we're only using for layers overall. We will just need to separate the back hair, body, head and front hair. After that, then we can save them as a transparent image and continue on to the next step. For the next step, all we need to do is place the layers we've drawn. Firstly, press the plus button on the right corner of the screen. And then press Media. And then find the images you want to import. The way we place the layers will be the same like on Ibis Paint. Firstly will be the back hair. Second is body. Third is head. And lastly, the front hair. After we're done placing the layers, then we can finally start tweening. Let's firstly group the layers we've placed down. Hold down on one of the layers and then select all the ones we've placed. Now press this button up here. We're grouping these layers just to make it easier for us to use. Now choose a layer where we can start. I'll do the body first. Firstly, let's add a keyframe on both ends of this layer. Now we will use this area right here to move the layer around. For the body, I'll move it slightly down. Now press this section right here. And let's add a keyframe on both ends too. And press this button right here. I'll then move this bottom slider here. I usually play around with it and see which looks better. I recommend doing so too, so you can see how it would look on yours. Now let's do the same process for the head layer. This time though, I'll only move it slightly down. I won't do the second part. Now I'll do the front hair too. I'll just move it slightly down, just the same level as the hair. This time though, press this button here. Let's add a keyframe on both ends of this one too. I don't have a solid tip for this. I just play around with it until it looks good, but you can follow along. After that, we can do the back hair. Basically the same process, you can just follow along. This part is optional that I just decided to add, but you can add it to yours too. Okay, now we can finally add our graphs to make our tweening look pretty. Once you're on this menu, press this one right here, and then this one. And follow me as how I would do it, or you could experiment it yourself and try out different ways. After you're satisfied, then press the 3 dots on the bottom left corner and copy curve. Now go to the other sections and press paste curve. Now do this to all of the layers with a keyframe. Paste the curve on all of them. You are now done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and helped you. Goodbye and I love you.